request all our... One please to witness.
Sige po. Walang sino walang namamatan na may tapat na naglilingkod na may Panginoon sa pasinayan pagsisimula.
And 3! There you have official opening of our...
Sige po, tuloy po tayo dito. Para mapagbabataloy sa kasalasan at huwag mo kami ipagtulis tukso at mo kami
So our executives, please join the blessing.
Luwalhati sa Ama, sa Anak, sa bukod kang pinagpala sa ulay na pinagpala na ng kanyang mga luwalhati sa Ama, sa Anak, sa Espiritu Santo. Palarin mo tayo lahat ng Panginoon Diyos, Ama, Anak, at Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Please in mind, a fun, meaningful afternoon that celebrates the values we all share: comfort, innovation, and a brighter, more sustainable. Pwede po bang makita dyan with a shirt? You now have a new play.
So we are here po to give you.
May we invite on stage me?
Papayag na ba yung PMO natin? May dala akong bathing suit ngayon. Meron na bang chlorine? Yeah, but anyway, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. On behalf, thank you very much to our PH1 Mancom team and support teams. I know that you have been working so hard, headed by Roy and John. PMO natin, ang rinig ko, tsaka yung marketing team. Hanggang madaling araw yata, no? Nandito sila to make sure that the amenity block is ready for today's event. Of course, the residents. We have, as we speak, about 39, if I am not mistaken. 39 residents who have already moved in. Welcome to Northscapes. And to the future residents who will still be joining us in the coming weeks and months. Maraming salamat po. Your support and your partnership with us, including the LGU, have been instrumental po in reaching this milestone. So, today is special because, of course, we are celebrating this milestone. We also have our PMO head, Patrick Tong. Patrick. And our PD head, Roy. And PD manager, kayo, para and be recognized. And, and our marketing team for putting things together to ensure that everything will flow smoothly. And of course, Rowie. Rowie naman po is our head of accounts management. Anything that has to do with your records.
Your birthday yesterday, so we would like to wish you
controller is the head of our finance. That's why we're celebrating. Kaya kailangan namin i-celebrate kasi sa kanya nakasalalay eh. Happy birthday, Chief.
her name. Let's nurture these. But first, good job, Aki. Ellie has plant pot. Good job. To red. Perfect, because our pots are also today. And last spot is Enzo's. Are you excited? No? We will make you excited. Alright. So everyone has their... Amazing. Even at home. Done. Now is the exciting part. I think we need to water our seeds, right? Or if you have extra clothes. So let's give them a big take home also. Wow. Congratulations. Plantitos, please smile. In 3, 2, 1, smile. There you go. Good job. All right. Thank you to all the kids.
You will get to know this local official. Thank you all for joining us. Today's ribbon cutting is more than just opening of a clubhouse.
Hello neighbors. Cheers to Northscape San Jose del Monte. Cheers! All right.
Club full area natin. Thank you. That's why number 1. Okay, the rest of the team.
Number